Right, onto some trig, question 5. So we've always told you if you see tan theta, you should change that to sine theta over cos theta is equal to m. Now, you were told that sine theta is k, so I'm going to take k and put it in sine theta's place. And you were asked to find cos theta in terms of k and m, so I multiply by cos theta, and I divide by m. So k over m is cos theta in terms of k and m. For b, we have to evaluate. So here we've got our double angles, 2 cos squared theta minus 1. We should recognize that. 2 cos squared theta minus 1 is the same as the cos of 2 theta. So it's 2 times the angle. So my numerator becomes the cos of 2 times the angle, the cos of 30. And then 1 minus 2 sine squared 22. Let's make that theta. That's also cos of 2 theta, cos of 2 times the angle. So it's cos of 2 times 22,5, which is the cos of 45. Should recognize those as special angles. Cos of 30 degrees is root 3 over 2, divided by the cos of 45 is root 2 over 2. So we get root 3 over 2 times 2 over root 2, which is root 3 over root 2. Okay. C, you had to prove the identity. Remember, you must change everything to sine theta over cos theta. So my left-hand side is going to be sine theta over cos theta multiplied by sine theta, and you're going to add cos theta. There we go. So now I multiply numerator by numerator. I get sine squared theta over cos theta plus cos theta. When we're adding, it's good to have a common denominator. So I'm going to put everything over cos theta. Here I'm going to get sine squared theta plus, this is over 1, remember. What do you do to the 1 to get to cos theta? You times by cos theta. So I must multiply my numerator by cos theta, and I get cos squared theta. Using square identity, sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is 1 over cos theta, which is the same as the right-hand side. Hence, determine correct to 2 decimal digits, the general solution. So if it says hence, it means you've got to use what you've worked out above in this question. So that tan theta sine theta plus cos theta is 1 plus cos theta. So we're going to make, 1 over cos theta. So 1 over cos theta is equal to 9 over sine theta. If I cross multiply, I get sine theta is 9 cos theta. And if I divide by cos theta, I'm going to get tan theta is 9. And then on your calculator, shift tan 9. And we were asked to 2 decimal digits. So theta is 83,66 degrees plus K180. Remember, that's the general solution for tan. And don't forget to say K is an element of integers. And then for D, you're given that sine 20 degrees is P, and you've got to determine cos 20 in terms of P. Sorry, I pressed a button. Okay, given that sine 20 is P, we've got to determine cos 20 in terms of P. So I always like to say that you know that sine squared 20 plus cos squared 20 is 1. So cos squared 20 degrees is 1 minus sine squared 20 degrees. And then if you want the cos of 20, you've got to square root that side. You can't take the square root across a plus or minus sign. You know sine 20 is P, so that is the square root of 1 minus p squared. And there you go.